Hello, everyone. It is me, Tully, and I'm so excited to be here. Today is the day that I meet my best friend Robin here at the fence. You know, we've all been staying home and staying safe, but we can talk safely over this fence. Oh, here she comes. I'm so excited. Robin! Robin! Oh, Robin!
Oh, hi, Tully.
Oh no, I'm so glad you're here, but you don't seem very happy.
I'm not.
Oh, you don't even seem sad, you seem mad.
Mad. I'm mad.
Oh, what is wrong?
Oh, it's just that we're all home, all together, all the time, and my little brother is driving me bonkers.
Oh, it is hard. Maybe you could hide out from him, make a pillow fort or a blanket fort.
I've tried that. He just comes in and ruins it, knocks it over. And then when I try to do his, I get in trouble.
Oh, that's not fair.
No, it's not. And you know what else isn't fair?
What?
This morning, I went downstairs and I was going to have my favorite cereal for breakfast.
Yeah? Oh, I love cereal for breakfast.
And my brother ate the last bowl in the whole box. And Mom doesn't go to the store for another 4 days. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh no, Robin. This is not good to feel mad.
I'm just so frustrated and mad and
Oh, you know what? If my grandma was here, you know what she would say?
What?
She would say, it's time to make some mad soup.
Mad soup? Wait, Tully, what in the world is mad soup?
Oh, you don't know about mad soup? Do you guys know about mad soup?
No, Tully, I don't. Tell me.
All right. So the first thing you need is to be mad.
Oh, well, I got that covered.
And the next thing you need is a big imaginary soup pot.
Oh, I got one right here.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, all right. Now what?
All right. So,
What are the ingredients?
okay, so we take a handful of love.
Wait. No salt or pepper or vegetables?
No. A handful of love. Go ahead. I'll count to 3 and put it in. 1, 2, 3.
Pop. Okay.
Pop, got mine too. Okay. Now, the next thing you need is a pinch of friendship.
A pinch of friendship? What do you mean?
Just a pinch of friendship.
How are we going to eat that?
You don't eat it. You'll see. It's going to eat your mad.
Oh, okay. Pinch.
All right. Now the next thing is some water. So you got water?
Yeah, I have a whole pitcher here.
Yeah, me too. Whoosh, whoosh. All right, now stir it up. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, now what?
All right. Are you still mad? That's an important ingredient.
Oh boy, am I mad. My brother is driving me bonkers.
All right. Yeah, I heard. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to yell into the soup.
Wait. We don't have to turn on the stove or anything?
No. The hot air of your hot breath from being so mad is going to cook this soup.
Cook the soup? That's silly.
Yeah, that's the whole point. When I count to 3, I want you to yell as loud as you can into your pot, okay? 1, 2, 3. Ah! All right, that was pretty good. Did you guys yell in your pots too?
Yeah, but I don't see it. It hasn't changed at all, Tully. I'm still mad.
Oh, well, see, that's how you know that the soup is not done.
Oh,
You have to yell some more.
into the pot?
Yep.
Do it again?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
oh, that does feel good.
Yeah.
Is the soup done now?
Almost. You'll know when it's done, okay? One more time, at least one more time.
Okay, you count now, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, hey Robin, guess what?
What?
The soup is done.
What do you mean?
Are you mad anymore?
No. Oh, I put all my mad into the soup pot. Oh, Tully, you're so smart. I always feel so much better when I'm around you. Thanks for teaching me how to make mad soup.
I hope all of you can make some mad soup too. If you're feeling frustrated, it's okay. Get it out. If you don't have a mad soup pot, you can do it into your pillow. It's okay. Everyone gets frustrated.
Yeah, everybody gets sad and mad. You know what I'm gonna do, Tully?
What?
I'm gonna teach my brother how to make mad soup.
Oh, isn't that a good idea? I think that's wonderful. Then you both can make
Mad soup. Oh, I gotta go. Bye, Tully.
bye.
Bow wow.
Bow wow.
Bye, everybody.